Oh, we are out here. Out on the beach today. It's gonna be, I think it was a 1.3 tide. So we are looking for horse clams. My first time ever looking for horse clams, so wish me luck. Stay tuned, and we'll see if we get anything. All right, so I think I found one right here. See this big hole right there? I'm gonna dig around this thing and hopefully get ourselves a horse clam. Hopefully. This is probably gonna take a while, but that's what I'm here for. See if we can feel them here. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna use two hands. Got them collapsing the walls here. I think I got it. I'm okay. I can't feel my hands no more. Holy smokes. Check that out. Man. That wore me out. First horse clam ever. Look, and that thing is huge. And I got a big hand. Whew. Look at that. Wow. All right. That wore me out. I'm soaked. Let's go find another one. I think I found another one. All I see is the hole, kind of like last time. Sometimes I guess you can see the neck sticking up. But let's look over here. I thought I seen a neck, but it wasn't. It's just, so right here. So they say you want at least 2 inches to be able to feel down inside the hole, or 2 fingers. Where'd the hole go? Oh, right here. Let's see if it spits out. See the hole right there? See how big this thing is. Yeah, that's about 2 fingers. So looks like we're gonna get to digging. All right, here we go again. All right, well, we came down here looking for horse clams. We got one, missed one. But I am satisfied with what I got. I just wanted to come down here and see if I can actually get one by myself. But I'm definitely gonna make one of those buckets to where the sides do not cave in on you. That killed it right there. So definitely need something that you can put in the hole that's gonna prevent it from caving in. So, but that was fun. I'm gonna head back home and see about getting this thing cleaned up, and I'll show you guys that. Okay, I'm back home now. I'm gonna try and show you guys how I'm gonna clean this thing out. So there it is. Big old horse clam. I'm just gonna cut it out with a knife and we're gonna see how it goes. There it goes, popped open. Just like that. On this side. There we go. One side of the shell. There's the other. And there's the muscles inside right there. We call these the scallops on razor clams. We like to call them scallops. Nice and tender. We eat them. Cut those out. Now we got all this on the clam. So let's see what we got here. We should have a digger. There's the scallop. There's the scallop. That will keep that. We got. Looks like gotta be a zipper, right? I probably messed that all up. There's the digger. Big old digger. Right there. Just like a razor clam. I'm gonna cut around it. These are all like the gills. Call them the gills. Typically, you can cut right through the digger and get all the junk out of it. Look at all that. You need all that digger. Let's see, why not? Slice it right down the middle here. Clean it up. Not sure if I'm doing this right, but just cut it up, clean it up, get all the gunk out of it. Dealing with here, probably just cut the tip off like you would anything else. Bunch of sand in there. This is edible here. That's the zipper. There's just go cut this right down the siphon here, and there should be 2 siphons. So I'm just going to cut down both the siphons, create a fillet here. Get the sand off. I'm supposed to peel the skin off. See this thick layer of skin here. Roll that off. Like that. Do the other side. And there you go. You got all this good meat peeled. Still a little bit of skin on there, but let's get it off. That is it. Gorgeous meat. All right, well, just got done cleaning up the horse clam. Not sure if I did it right. It is what it is. So, but that was my first horse clam ever, and thanks for coming along and experiencing that with me. Next time I'll be a little more prepared. I kind of knew what I was getting into, but definitely need to get a bucket, so with a hole in the bottom of it to help prevent the sand from sliding down on me. So so maybe next time. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll talk to y'all later. Peace.